guys, I'm going to show you how I created this pink purple ombre eyeshadow look, so stay tuned if you're interested. So I'm using again the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm using the color Ginger in my transition. Guys, I love this palette so much. The color payoff is so good. I cannot get enough of it. I cannot put it down. I love this color for my transition because you see the coverage I get, right? It's the lightest nude matte in the palette, and it completely covers my underbrow concealer, okay? Thank you, Jackie. I didn't even really need to do much to it but to slap it on because it's so easy to blend. I'm just trying to get used to this new Anastasia brush because I've never used it before. And now I'm taking Supreme, and I'm using the other end of the brush, and I'm going to take that on the innermost corner of my eye. But I'm only going to take it about a third of the way. And don't let this pink fool you, because in the palette, it looks like really light, like it really won't show up on deep skin girls that well.
Any ideas?
It does, as you can see, and it's beautiful. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'm only taking it a third of the way in. Honestly, I'm really surprised at this color because it is becoming one of my favorite matte colors in the palette. And I want to keep on building it so that it doesn't get overtaken by the other colors that I'm going to use for this look, because it is the lightest shade of pink. And although I really love the palette, and it most likely will be the first palette that I ever hit pan on, I'm not too crazy about the brush that comes with it. But it's not horrible. It's getting the job done. Now I'm taking Pinker, and I'm using a different brush, mind you. Taking that straight to the middle, all the way up in the center next to that inner corner shade. And I'm only going about 2/3 of the way in. I want to leave the outer third open for the last color. And when I tell you that these colors are so pigmented, I'm not sure if it's an Anastasia thing or a Jackie Aina and Anastasia thing. So now I'm taking Big Wig. I'm gonna take this on in my outer V, and I'm just gonna blend down into my lash line and up and in. Now you're starting to see those colors really complement each other, and they're so beautiful together. I see why Jackie put them right next to each other in the palette. They are gorgeous. Look at that purple shining through. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And these are the 3 shades that I was talking about in my actual review video of the palette. And these are definitely the most pigmented mattes in the palette. And Jackie Aina did say that. And I do believe that that's why you're not supposed to use them too close to the eye, because they're so pigmented. But they are so bomb. And because this palette is so good, I am eyeing every other Anastasia palette out there. Riviera was the first one that I wanted to try. When I saw it, I was like, yeah, I gotta have that, but I never bought into it. But when Jackie dropped this palette, I got it. I love it. So now I'm definitely gonna get my hands on Riviera. And because these colors are so pigmented, you see that I did powder to catch any fallout. And just looking at this eye look completed, I want to do a little bit more pink in the inner corner. So I'm going back into the color Supreme. I'm just gonna try to bring that color out just a bit more, because I feel like it's getting overtaken just a little bit. And I really want to showcase that color because I really want that smooth rainbow blend effect. Now taking a buffing brush with no product on it, I'm going to blend all of those colors up into my transition. And I just really love these colors together. I think they complement each other so well, and they are so beautiful. Jackie did such a wonderful job with this palette. Now I'm taking Soleil in my brow highlight and my inner corner highlight. And I'm using a flat brush to do it. And what I like to do is use it on one side to place the color, but then I flip it to the other side to blend it out.
Any ideas?
And just a little tip, if you place too much brow highlight, you can go over it with your transition shade to kind of tone it down a bit. Now I'm just tucking that color in that inner corner flabby fold. And I'm dusting my bake and moving on. So now to add to this eye look, I'm going to be using the Thrive Cosmetics Infinity Waterproof Eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner because it is so smooth. It is the smoothest eyeliner pencil that I have ever used, and I'm not just saying that. It really is that good, and I really like it because it has a smudger on the other side. So I'm going to take that smudger after I place the liner, and I'm just going to smudge that liner up into the eyeshadow look. But now just looking back on this eyeshadow look, it was so beautiful. It really didn't need black eyeliner, and I probably will try this eye look again without it because it's so pretty. So now I'm using the all famous Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I actually love this mascara because it's a tubing mascara. So that means that the formula makes the polymers create a 360 coverage around each and every one of your lashes to give you that full coverage. It makes your eyelashes look so beautiful, so full. And then when you remove it, they kind of just come off in these little tubes, and it's really cool. So this is actually my favorite eyelash formula right now because it's not like your normal eyelash formula that just coats your lashes. And as you can see, I love the size of the wand because I'm using it in my lower lash, and you guys know how I feel about the lower lash. Now I'm taking my House of Lashes glue and eyelashes, and I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I was really excited to find out that Morphe actually sells House of Lashes glue because I've really been wanting to try it. So when I was there at the Galleria Mall, I did pick some up, and I really love it. It dries so much faster than Duo. So this is the eye look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.